Engine trouble stressing you out? World Kia Joliet is here to help, and we're making it easy and rewarding. Look out for these signs of engine problems: engine knocking or ticking sounds, excessive oil consumption, loss of power when accelerating, check engine light flashing. These could be serious issues that might qualify for warranty-covered repairs, meaning you pay nothing out of pocket. At World Kia Joliet, our dedicated engine repair team specializes in securing warranty approvals from Kia. We handle it all. Detailed diagnostics. Our experts document every issue thoroughly. Direct dealership advocacy. We know exactly how to get Kia to cover your repairs. Also, we provide free loaner vehicles, so we keep your life moving while we fix your car. Schedule your Kia engine repair today and get a $100 Amazon gift card as our way of saying thank you. Plus, we'll provide free towing within 75 miles for qualifying repairs. You heard that right, we cover the tow. Don't let costly repairs catch you off guard. The longer you wait, the more damage your engine could face. Act now to secure warranty coverage, free towing, and that $100 Amazon gift card. Call us now at the number below or visit KIAEngineRepair.com. Let World Kia Joliet handle the hard part while you enjoy the savings, reliability, and peace of mind you deserve. World Kia Joliet, where the right technicians make all the difference in the world.